CrackBerry.com.
Hey everybody, this is Simon Sage from CrackBerry. Today we are checking out some of the cloud solutions available on the BlackBerry Q10. You may already be familiar with what's available on the Z10, so that includes Dropbox integration, and there's also Box.net integration right in the native File Explorer. So we can check out the file manager here, and you can see just from the active frame it shows you how much room that you've got left in your cloud storage. So that's kind of handy. But diving in, you just hit that little button in the bottom left there, and you can see all of your various storage solutions. That includes Dropbox down here, that includes Box up here, and you can switch between two different views here. You've got all sorts of sorting options here. Pinning is something that took a little bit of digging to figure out, but that is actually full-blown syncing. So for Box specifically, you can sync videos and pictures, so that's especially handy if you have camera pictures here that you want to be able to get access to quickly, and if you've got desktop Box if you've got the Box.net client installed on your desktop computer, then your photos are just seamlessly being synced up with your desktop. This is a great solution for doing it over cellular networks or other people's Wi-Fi networks. So pretty cool stuff overall. Now let's check out the Connect to Dropbox section over here. We can see that you've got a handy little bar here that shows just how much space you've used up, and you can you have the option of using the cell network to view your to sync up your files. Now, since Dropbox doesn't have any real syncing solutions available right now, that's not great, but having that disabled also means that if you're chugging through the file manager manually, it won't download any files unless you're on a Wi-Fi network. So that is good if you need to save on battery life, or if you're worried about hitting your data cap or anything like that. Checking out the preloaded Box application. It's a little bit different, but still more or less the same thing, where you've got a shortcut to launch right into the file manager, but you've also got toggles here for syncing up pictures and videos. So being able to automate that process is huge, and hopefully Dropbox will add that, and other cloud service providers will take a hint and see that this is actually really, really nice. There's also a solution here for accessing cloud services that aren't quite on BlackBerry 10 just yet in any official sense. It's called PlayCloud. It's really nice. It's got the kind of native Cascades UI here, but in addition to providing access to Dropbox, Box, and your local SD card, you also have access to Google Drive, SkyDrive, and Sugar Sync. So those are other services that, if you're really into them, then this is a really great way to get access to them. We can see here that we've got some stuff there. We've got some stuff in my cloud sorry, this is a SkyDrive. I hardly ever use SkyDrive, so it's kind of neat giving it a shot here. But it's full two-way sync, so you can create folders and you can copy files over and drop them wherever you need to. PlayCloud is particularly cool in that it offers just so many different kinds of accounts, right? So yeah, we've got Dropbox and Box and Google Drive and SkyDrive, but you also have FTP servers here if you want to be able to access them on your phone. And also these other two formats I'm totally unfamiliar with, Open Dataspace and WebDAV. So those are both pretty cool stuff, and we've also got printer access here. So I haven't gotten quite that far just yet, but it is good stuff overall. Now, the big question is here, what do you use? Especially if BlackBerry Link now has remote file access, do you really even need a cloud service? You know, if your own computer is acting as its own little cloud server, do you need all of these other services in between you and your files? So that is a tricky proposition, because a lot of these cloud services require subscriptions, but even with Dropbox, I've got you know, maybe 75 gigabytes or so, but I haven't paid a dime. So if you have a reasonable amount of storage already up in the cloud, this is perfectly fine. And having nice polished apps to access all of them is really helpful. So personally, I really like the BlackBerry Link remote file access. It's baked right in here, although it's shown as offline right now. So the other thing, of course, is reliability. You know, if some of these services ever go down, or they're really important files and you can't get to them, that might be a deciding factor for you. So that's just a quick tour of some of the remote file access applications and services available on BlackBerry Q10. Let us know which ones you prefer.